Johnny Johnny in his room, playing happy zoom zoom zoom. Crawl, crawl, little Johnny, through the hallway slowly funny. Step by step he goes ahead, to the kitchen glowing red. Oh, what's shining on the top? Colored candy never stop. Lollipops so bright and sweet. Johnny wants a tiny treat. Little plan inside his mind, stool is what he's gonna find. Step by step he climbs so high, candy jar is in his eye. Candy happily, red and blue and pink and green, sweetest thing he's ever seen. Papa, Papa looking there, Johnny, Johnny in his care. What you doing? Tell me true. Johnny, Johnny, what you do? Yes, Papa, having candy, ha ha ha. Telling lies, no, no, no. Papa sees it, now you know. Gently Papa takes it back, no more candy from the pack. Into jar it goes again, learning lesson once again. Papa lifts him in his arms, keeping Johnny safe from harm. Hug so warm and hug so tight, sleepy Johnny in his bed. Dreams are dancing in his head. Close your eyes and rest so deep. Now it's time for you to sleep.